Come on, Sam. He's ready to go somewhere. We're not going anywhere right now, baby. No, we're not going anywhere. He's ready to go. You ready to go, Sam? You ready to go somewhere, pretty boy? Are you ready? Right, I'm ready. Cody said black dog out here. Come on, Sam. We're not going anywhere. You want to play with Mia? Want to play with Mia? Hey, Sam. Alright, come on. Time to eat. Y'all ready to eat? Alright. Ready to eat.